Are you ready to make some serious money? Listen up, because we're diving headfirst into a high-stakes showdown. A full-blown trade war between the United States and China, those economic titans, could mean big, and I mean really big, moves in the precious metals market. We're talking about gold and silver, folks, the classic safe haven assets that people flock to when the market gets shaky. And let me tell you, uncertainty is running rampant right now. When the big dogs start throwing tariffs around, confidence in those flimsy fiat currencies takes a nosedive. Listen, when the world's on fire with trade wars, investors run for cover. And where do they go? You got it, gold. It's the ultimate safe haven. When uncertainty rears its ugly head, gold's the security blanket everyone wants. Now silver's no slouch either. It's got that dual personality, part safe haven, part industrial metal. That means it can be a wild ride, folks, bigger swings, more volatility. But when those safe haven instincts kick in, silver can really take off. Think of it like this. Gold's the steady tortoise, always gaining value, while silver's the hare, capable of explosive moves. Tariffs, my friends, they're not just some abstract economic theory. They hit you right where it hurts, your wallet. Those tariffs mean higher prices on everything you buy, and that's a recipe for inflation. And when that inflation monster rears its ugly head, guess what happens? You got it. Gold and silver prices start climbing higher. See, those precious metals, they're like a lifeline in a sea of inflation. When that dollar starts losing its purchasing power, investors jump ship and swim towards the safety of gold and silver. Let's face it, folks, trade wars are bad for business. They disrupt supply chains, create uncertainty, and can put the brakes on global growth. And when the economy starts to sputter, central banks, those financial firefighters, they start scrambling for solutions. They slash interest rates, pump money into the system, anything to get things moving again. But here's the kicker. Lower interest rates make gold and silver even more attractive. Suddenly, holding on to those precious metals doesn't cost you as much in lost interest. It's like a double whammy for gold and silver bugs. Here's the ugly truth about trade wars. Nobody wins. In a desperate attempt to stay competitive, countries might resort to the unthinkable, devaluing their currencies. It's a dangerous game, folks, a race to the bottom. And when faith in fiat currencies crumbles, investors seek refuge in the enduring value of gold and silver. Think of it like this. If the US dollar and the Chinese yuan are playing chicken, gold and silver are the sidelines, just waiting to be crowned the new champions. Now, I'm not saying to bet the farm just yet. We've seen this movie before, back in 2018 and 2019, when the US and China first started throwing tariff punches. Gold surged over 20%, folks. Silver lagged behind initially, but when those fears escalated, it followed suit. Remember, this isn't a one-way street. If tensions ease, or if by some miracle they strike a deal, we could see a pullback in prices. And silver, with its industrial side, could get hit harder if manufacturing slows down.